In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Passkey on Notion. Passkeys are one of the safest and easiest ways to protect your Notion account, allowing you to sign in quickly without relying on traditional passwords. They provide an extra layer of security and convenience, especially if you use Notion daily for work, study, or personal projects. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step, making it simple to follow along and ensuring your account is set up securely. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Notion account on desktop or the web. Once you're inside, look to the left side of your screen and click on Settings. The Settings area is where Notion lets you manage everything related to your account, including security, personal preferences, and login options. After clicking Settings, a new panel will open with multiple sections listed on the left-hand side. Look for the section labeled Account and click on it. The Account section contains all your personal details, login options, and security features. Scroll slightly if needed until you see the security-related options for your Notion account. Here, find the option that says Add Passkey. This feature allows you to set up passwordless login using your device's built-in authentication, such as a fingerprint, Face ID, or your device PIN. Click on Add Passkey to continue. Next, click on Add New Passkey. Notion will prompt your device or browser to create a passkey. Depending on your device, you may be asked to confirm your identity using your fingerprint, Face ID, Windows Hello, or your device's lock screen PIN. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the setup. Once the process is finished, your passkey will be successfully added to your Notion account. From this point on, you can use your passkey to log in quickly and securely without typing a password. This method not only saves time but also provides an additional layer of protection against phishing and account breaches. Using passkeys is an effective way to keep your Notion workspace safe while making your login process more convenient and seamless. And that's it. You've successfully enabled a passkey on Notion, giving your account stronger security and faster access. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.